Yo, what is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description, and happy shopping. Today's video is brought to you guys by Hibbett Sports, and if you guys have never heard of Hibbett Sports, basically they are a retailer of sporting goods. They have over 1,000 stores across the U.S., and they also do have an online retailer space. Now, they have a really cool app that you can download, as well as a release calendar to let you guys know of all of the future releases that are coming out. And that includes all of the releases that they get from the major retailers like Nike, Adidas, and Jordan Brand, Puma, and so on. So in this video, Hibbett Sports sent me 2 different boxes here, and I literally have no idea what is inside of them. So it's kind of exciting for me to be able to open them up and see what they sent. So we'll start off with this box in front. It's a pretty big box. I don't know, again, what is in the box. Not an idea of the brand or nothing. So it's kind of fun to do these type of videos when I don't know what is being sent. Let's take a look together. Ooh, it looks like a pair of Pumas. All right, I'm hoping, I have my fingers crossed. I'm hoping it is a model that I've been wanting to check out. I'm not going to look at the label. Let's go ahead and see. Yeah, man. All right, so we have a pair of the RSXs. And this is a shoe that I've actually really wanted to try out. A lot of you guys have actually mentioned this shoe to me and wondering why I haven't reviewed it yet. I just didn't buy a pair yet. I just was kind of waiting for a cool one to drop. And all of the colorways have been really, really dope. They have lots and lots of different color blocking all over the shoe. This one is the toy version, if you guys did not see this released a little bit ago. They have a Transformer version that's really dope and the Hot Wheels version. All in all, the RSX is a really nice upgrade to the RSO, and this model looks really fresh. So here's just a quick little overview of the shoe. They have 3 different sections, as you can see here: the yellow, red, and blue. And then on the inside, it has the same thing. Outsole has a mix of those 3 colors also. The upper looks like it's a whole bunch of different layers and a whole bunch of different materials. You have mesh, and then you have kind of it feels like a synthetic rubberized leather. It does have a leather material here as well, and a little bit of suede on the back. This feels like a neoprene material here, and then you have a pull tab on the back. You have more mesh here, and then also kind of a mesh liner on the inside. Really, really huge pull tab, which I like. It has the branding of the RSX right here. It does say running system on the tongue as well. So RS, I'm assuming, stands for running system. It looks like there's a hit of 3M reflective material back here, but cool looking shoe, man. Definitely excited to give these a try. And if you guys want a separate video and a detailed review of these, maybe a comparison between these and the RSOs, just leave a comment. Let me know if you guys want to see that, since I still do have my RSOs. Let's go ahead and open the next box, though. I don't know what is in here either. Fairly heavy. Let's go ahead and see what they sent. Look at it. I'm using my left hand. Terrible idea. And oh, what? You gotta be kidding me. Well, this is unfortunate timing. Ooh, or maybe not. So if you guys just saw the channel recently, I already did an unboxing of a pair of these sneakers, but my colorway was different than this one. This is, oh yeah, crazy. They sent me the new Vapor Maxes. Man, that's ridiculous. So I literally just bought these in the white, in the silver, and the orange colorway. And this is the black and metallic gold colorway. And in hand, these actually look really, really nice. The black hyperfused material all over is definitely more blended into the shoe versus the silver one that I got. The air bubble is kind of a goldish speckled air bubble. Pretty wild looking, actually. And then you have little gold accents underneath here. Vapor Max logo. The tongue has that gold foil back here and backing the baseball stitching with the tongue. It says Air, Nike VM 2019, and then upper CS, Bag Air, and then it says TPU on it. But this is a new Vapor Max 2019 model. I will do an updated video though, like pros and cons after wearing these for a while, because I do want to give them a go and see how they are on feet. Vapor Max is one of those polarizing shoes, as I've already mentioned in the past, where people really love this shoe or they absolutely hate them. And for me, I'm kind of stuck in the middle. I actually really dig the look of the shoe. I actually like wearing my Vapor Maxes on a regular basis, even though the comfort of these shoes are kind of an acquired taste because of the crazy air bubbles on the midsole. For those that have not seen any of my Vapor Max videos, though, the midsole is 100% air unit, which is pretty awesome. Like, it's a huge, ridiculous air unit on the bottom. So you really are like walking on air with a Vapor Max. Because of the different pods all over the bottom of the shoe, it is kind of a segmented feeling as you take steps, but it's supposed to be like that. Anyway, it's a shoe that I think people, again, love or hate. It's supposed to be a performance running shoe, but honestly, it's definitely got more of a casual appeal for those people out there that know, like, Nike Air Max 2017 and whatnot was a great shoe. But again, the Nike Air Max lineage really hasn't held its own in the running world. But on the casual side, it's kind of like one of those staples that you need for every collection. And I personally have the Air Max 1, the Air Max 90s, Air Max Plus, like all the way up through the Vapor Max, just because I love the innovation and the technology and just the idea that you're walking on air again. So that is a look at this colorway. This colorway is actually really, really sick. Thank you to Hibbett Sports for sending both of these gems over to me. Check out their website if you guys have not. Link in the description. You guys can buy some of these shoes and a lot of other ones from, again, all the major retailers out there: Adidas, Jordan Brand, Nike, Puma, and so on. Yeah, man, this has been a fun one. I really had no idea what I was going to be getting in this video, so this is like a super, super dope surprise because I just paid $190 retail on the other pair, and now I have the second pair here in the black colorway, so it's definitely a lot different than the other one that I got. But anyways, looking forward to wearing both of these shoes, and thank you guys for stopping by and watching the video. It is much appreciated. Check back soon for more of a detailed look at both of these shoes. Subscribe if you guys are new to my channel. Notification bell to be notified of when my videos go live. And thank you guys for stopping by again. Have a great rest of the day and more videos very soon. Peace, guys.